Hey, what's up guys, my name is Andrew and I'm from Options Army, and welcome back guys to my channel, and welcome to this really interesting and really important video where I'm going to explain you how the signals are being generated by Maximus-CryptoBot, what to look out for, and most importantly how to increase your profit ratio when you use this trading software on daily basis. So guys, before I get started, the first things first, as usual, if you are new to my channel, I would highly recommend you to please click on that subscribe button, and also please click on that ring bell button so that you will be up to date with all my upcoming news video releases. So guys, let's get started. So guys, Maximus-CryptoBot is this trading software right here, which is one of a kind, which allows us to trade traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and as well as commodities. And as well as indices, and we've seen so many success stories already with Maximus-CryptoBot where people are able to profit on daily basis, but most importantly guys, make sure that if you are a newbie and if you are trading with Maximus-CryptoBot, that you follow the trading rules. And as you know guys, each of these box guys is one signal, and in order for us to generate profits, we simply have to enter the amount we want to invest for each signal, and simply here we have to click on this trade button guys. And when we do that, those trades will be automatically placed on our broker's platform. Please guys, watch my today's video where today we generated 950 euro guys from our Maximus-CryptoBot trading platform on a trader online, which is CFD Forex broker. So please guys, watch that video, which is really interesting. Yeah guys, so people are asking how these signals are generated basically. You see, basically guys, Maximus-CryptoBot is scanning the markets, okay? So it's doing two kinds. So it's scanning the markets, and depending on current market conditions, it's predicting the future direction of the trades, or the future direction of these particular assets. In particular, future direction of these particular currency pairs, okay? As you can see there, you can trade currency, stocks, cryptocurrencies, indices, and commodities. But if you are after the long testing guys, it has considered that the most profitable is if you only trade currencies or cryptocurrencies. Please do not trade stocks. Please do not trade indices and commodities if you are a newbie. If you want to trade stocks, indices, or commodities, make sure, well, you will only trade those investment instruments. If you are aware of current market conditions in these areas, So if you're aware about stocks, about particular angle in the stock market, obviously then you can go and trade using stock market signals. But if you're just starting off guys, make sure that you only trade currencies or cryptocurrencies. For past couple of days I've been trading with currencies because this is one of the most reliable trading instruments there is, obviously. But make sure guys that you do check your economic calendar before each trading session. Make sure that you go to news, go to economic calendar, and make sure there are no tribal news when you trade. Yeah guys, but furthermore, so the software Maximus-CryptoBot is looking at these currency pairs, it's looking at all of the currency pairs. So there is like 130 instruments that can be traded. So the software is scanning the markets, and it's so basically each of these currency pairs, okay, is having it's having a technical chart, okay, behind the software. So the software is looking for future prediction of the trade. And as we've seen previously guys, if you looked at the Maximus-CryptoBot website, you will see that these are the 5 indicators, okay, that are programmed within the algorithm of Maximus-CryptoBot. So it's Fibonacci, MACD, exponential moving average, stochastics, as well as Bollinger Bands. In my previous trading videos, we had placed manual trades, and we did several manual trading technical analysis videos. And we use Bollinger Band a lot. We also have used MACD, exponential moving average, and Fibonacci. Stochastics oscillator we also used, I think, one of the older previous videos. So, okay guys, so let's just take a look at how those indicators are being used by the software itself, and how it's predicting these signals. So guys, so the Fibonacci, guys, you can use these free charts from Maximus-CryptoBot. So if you click here on this trading view icon right here, you will be able to go to a trading view, and you'll be able to see these signals on a tradingview.com. So on the positions on this plugin, which is in Maximus-CryptoBot, you can also use most major indicators, as you can see right here. Although not all of the indicators are actually, added to this plugin, because in a plugin they are not able to add all of the indicators. Seems because that's why if you want to use full indicator list, you must go to you must click on this blue icon on the bottom and go to the website itself, okay? And here you can use and click on the indicators tab like here, like so, and now you will see all of the indicators. As you can see, these indicators are not on the here. In here you will only see the major indicators, which is for technical analysis, fundamentals, economy, and symbols. So guys, so let's take a look. So Fibonacci, guys, Fibonacci. There are many Fibonacci indicators that can be used, but to give you some kind of example, okay, how the Fibonacci works. So the Fibonacci, guys, is basically, it has to be drawn from the top to the bottom, so from the left to the right. So it has to be drawn. You have to draw Fibonacci from the left to the right. So if you are so you need to be drawing it from the highest point to the lowest point, and then it will show you the support and the resistance. So as we can see right here, for example, here is our support. Here we can see some of the resistance. I'm just explaining you this, guys, in basic terms, okay? If you want to see, guys, if you want to read about Fibonacci indicator, you're welcome. But Fibonacci, guys, is basically Fibonacci retracement is basically showing you the support and resistance on multiple levels. It's not always 100% accurate. Of course, there is no 100% accurate indicator out there. But Maximus-CryptoBot is using a Fibonacci. For example, here, here we can see support, resistance, not accurate though. But this was not one of the best Fibonacci's there. So it's using the Fibonacci, guys, as well as the don't forget about all the other ones. So MACD, okay. So let's take a look at MACD. So Fibonacci alone, guys, it's not really great to use. Because it's not giving the one Fibonacci confirmation is not enough for any signals, So let's click on MACD. So MACD is this indicator right here. Again, there are a couple of MACD indicators, okay? This is one of them, MACD. So this is 12, 26, 9. So if we see the blue line crossing the orange line in a sharp angle and going upwards, like here, like we can see in this area, this means that the price is going up. And if and if this combined with the MACD, this combined with Fibonacci will give us again another double confirmation. So for instance, what could be double confirmation? So for example, as again here we can see sharp angle pointing upwards. Fibonacci is touching one of the support lines, and the green candle is forming here. So here would be nice call trade, Yes. So Maximus-CryptoBot is using these indicators, to predict future direction of the trade. But you know what? Let's place all of the indicators. Okay. So we have MACD. Let's place EMA. So okay, let's click on the EMA. Okay, it looks like the Fibonacci is gone because of the trading view. It's only allowing to place, I think, 2 or 3 signals. Anyway, so let's see. So EMA, so moving average, exponential moving average. So again, there are a lot of EMAs, but basically it shows you the, it shows you the medium when it comes to the, when it comes to the price action in general. It looks at the previous price levels. And then it shows you this line. But as you know, guys, if you didn't see my previous exponential moving average lines, you can also please watch my other channel, where we talked about these. So okay, so we have this, and now let's take this stochastics as well. Okay, so let's click on indicators. Stochastics again. Let's click on just usual stochastics. So stochastics as well, guys, can be used really sometimes in similar way that MACD. You can use MACD. So for an exponential moving average line, if you see that the moving average, if you see that the candles are above moving average line or below the moving average line, this is one of the indications. And then you can also throw in the MACD indication as well as stochastics indication, and the Fibonacci, the Fibonacci retracement, guys, which is gone now. I think let me see indicators. Fibonacci. I'm not sure if it's gonna allow me to. No, it's not allowing me to place more than 3 indicators at the same time. So let me see, guys. Let me open another one. But I think, guys, I hope you get the full picture, guys. Okay. So the Fibonacci. So I'll imagine if all of these indicators were all on a one chart. So 5 indicators, guys, on a one chart, and the software is scanning those charts and and analyzing those charts, and then whenever it has 3 or 4 confirmations from those 5 signals, then you are being provided with these signals, guys, and I hope, guys, it makes sense now how these signals are being prepared and how these signals are being analyzed before they're actually being displayed to us. And one of the other really important point is this. Maybe you notice that every signal has different confidence factor, and these confidence factors is the probability of this signal being correct. Okay, the confidence factor, guys, is the probability in percentages of this signal being correct, and that's why it's not recommended to trade any of the signals that are having the confidence factor of less than 70%, guys. So please make sure you do not trade any, just in case, I just don't want you to get a losing trades. Okay, only trade those signals that are having a confidence factor of 70% and above. So yeah, guys, so whenever currency pairs are having what's happening? Sorry. Whenever these signal pairs are getting confirmations from these signals, then those signals are being displayed for us on the dashboard, and then we are able to simply place here our investment per trade and simply click on trade button, and then that trade will be automatically placed on our broker's platform, and and we will be able to generate profits from every single of those trades. And these were our trades, guys, from today. Earlier on we generated, guys, 950 profits, pure profits, from how many? 7 trades, I think. Was it 7 trades? Yes, 7 trades. I did invest a little bit heavily. I invested 250 for each trade, but, guys, I was able to generate over 2,000. So my investment was 1,750. And my total profits was 950, and I can't remember what was the cents. So really profitable trading session today. So yeah, guys, so this is how trades are being produced. If you guys are still lost, or if you still have some questions, do not hesitate to contact me, guys. Trade responsibly, trade safely. If you're interested in Maximus CryptoBot free registrations, link is below the video. Check it out. Please like and subscribe, guys, and see you guys again next time. Bye.